Hello friends, welcome to the Project Pathshala YouTube channel. Here on this channel, I will create many exciting projects for you. So, if you are an engineering student or a project enthusiast, then please subscribe to my channel. And today in this video, I will show you a demo of my Android based project, which is an online teaching app, and from the next video and onwards I will be uploading videos where I will be teaching you the step-by-step process of how you can also create such app. The prerequisite for you to learn how to create amazing Android projects from me is that you must know the Java programming language. And if you really don't know Java language, then don't worry, still you will be able to understand my videos. Instead, your interest will get increased to learn the Java language. So, without wasting time, let's start the demo. When you open the app, you see a free splash screen. Enter mobile number and then click on the get OTP. Now enter OTP and then click on verify OTP. In the dashboard, we see all the courses in the courses menu of bottom navigation bar. Click on the toggle at the top left corner. Click on the edit profile button to change the user profile. Here you can change the profile image and name using this custom dialog box. The profile is now updated. You can see that there is no data in the test and result menu of bottom navigation bar. In this autofill text view, we can search for available courses. Click on the courses to see the lessons on that course. Click on the lesson which you want to learn. You can watch the video of that lesson or can see the description of the lesson. Click on notes to read the lesson notes in the PDF format. You can add the test when you complete your lesson. Search without typing anything to get all courses list. Because you added the test, you will find the test on that lesson in the test menu. Click on that test and solve the MCQs. When you complete the test, you can see the result in the dialog box, or you can find the test result in the result menu of bottom navigation bar. Open the About Us page. In the bottom you can see various methods for contact. click on feedback to give the feedback about the app and courses. In the navigation drawer, click on LogOut to log out from the app.